I have cut off about 6 inches of diamond wrap. I'm now taking one strand of the diamond wrap and just hot gluing it all the way around. I've also taken like some of these little pieces right here. These are from the Wish app, and I've just taken them and put them in a diamond pattern all the way around. I took some gems from, this is Walmart gems, and I can't think right now. And then of course on the bottom here, on the little 2 pieces, I took some of these gorgeous gems from the Wish app, and I put those in the bottom of the 2 strands. On the 1 strand, one more of these little guys. For the bottom of my piece, I just took this Dollar Tree vase and I spray painted it with some black matte spray paint. I also got this bling. This is from the Wish app. Now the black spray paint is from Walmart. This is how it turned out. I put a little mirror on top and I spray painted this Dollar Tree toy elephant silver. And I put a little bling on top. I got that idea from StoreeOfMyLife. She's an amazing YouTuber.